Hello drone people, it's an exciting day today. It is new drone day. Yay Amazon. This was in California yesterday. Now it's on my kitchen table. My situation last week, I bought a Holy Stone HS720 and I flew it once, flew great, I was impressed with it, but that same evening they announced that there was an upgraded model, the HS720e, being released that very same day. I looked at the pricing, it was only a $70 increase with the digital coupon that was available on Amazon, and considering a second battery for the HS720 would be $60, it was a no-brainer to send back my HS720 and buy an HS720e. I was excited to get the HS720e because it features a Sony camera, which should be a big upgrade. It has a second battery, which is also nice, and it's got image stabilization, which I'm very excited about. So we're going to do a little unboxing here, get this thing charged and go outside and fly it. Alright, there's the HS720e box. Same size box as the 720. Nice case that comes with it. Same size case as the 720 also. It's got a handle on top, zipper. Alright, so inside here, got a little pouch. It's got our instruction manual. Set that off to the side of the desiccant pack. We don't need that. Let's throw that away. It's got some foam packing. And the most important thing, of course, is the drone. Alright, so this drone, it's got arms that unfold. The battery pack actually has a foam cover on it to prevent it from locking into place in the drone, so that during shipping it's not activated under any circumstances. So you don't really need this, but it's a good idea to hang on to it for safety purposes in case you go on a flight or anything like that, so you can prevent the battery from contacting the terminals inside the drone. Alright, so the camera on this is noticeably bigger than on the HS720. It sticks out farther from the body of the drone, versus on the 720 it's kind of recessed and it was more of a silver color. But besides that, there's a little cosmetic difference on the bottom between the two drones. Everything else seems to look pretty similar. Got the remote, which appears to be the same remote as the 720. So it's got the antennas on it. It's got the phone holder that pops out. So the phone holder pops out, you put your phone in here and it locks it into place. And then it has handles that fold down. Looks to be the same controllers on the HS720. And we've got their accessory box in here. Inside the accessory box is a second battery. There is a screwdriver for replacing any blades, props, in case any accidents you come across. There's a package of additional blades. I'm just going to keep those inside the package for now. Also in the box is the all-important battery charger. So the battery charger is the same as in the HS720. It's a 2-battery charger. It's got little covers that fold open over top of the terminals for the charging. So you just take one battery, put it on there, take the second battery, just line it up, press it down. Alright, 2 batteries loaded into the charger. Comes with a USB cord, just a standard USB. Plugs into the side. You just plug this into any USB wall outlet and wait. Approximate charging time 5 to 7 hours. Each battery should be 26 minutes approximately. That's giving you the better part of an hour of flight time. So we're going to go ahead and charge these batteries up. And while we charge the batteries up, go ahead and subscribe. I will get some videos uploaded this evening and definitely tomorrow showing the drone in action and showing actual footage from the drone. So until then, have a good day and check back later for some flight videos. Thanks a lot.